Up everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Benny back at it again, you guys. The BMW is getting sold. Yes, it's getting sold. Well, it's for sale, but will I sell it? I don't know. There's still a lot of stuff I want to do to it. It's right behind me right here. It has gone nowhere. Nothing has happened to this thing. I haven't touched it in a while, only because I've been focusing on that guy over there, but I haven't touched it or done nothing to it. I do want to do one interior thing, which is the whole headliner. I kind of want to redo that, make it suede, but I haven't touched it. It's still the same as it always. Oh look, this door's open. Oh jeez, it's still the same as it's always been the same. It's not changing. Like I said, I do want to do the headliner. That is something that I'm looking into doing, possibly, maybe. Let's sit in it. We're in. It's like dirty, dusty. So it is for sale. Will I sell it? I don't know, dude. It's a great car. It's a really good car. I'm not gonna lie. There's a lot that I can do to this. There's a lot that I see a lot of potential. But I've just been doing a whole bunch of different other stuff, and I've been focusing mainly on the S2000. That has been my main focus, trying to get that going, really get it going. Quick update on that. I installed a wideband O2 sensor. The guy ghosted me. Luckily I didn't pay him nothing, so we good. So yeah, I don't know. I have it for sale and for trade, so if someone trades me something worthy, maybe. I've been getting a lot of offers from up north, like Los Angeles area. I'm just like, oh, I don't really feel like driving or going or doing none of all that. No. So for now, it's just here. Battery's completely dead. This motor on this thing went out now, so this window goes down. Update on the bucket. So that's what it's looking like so far. I got nothing else. Status on the BMW, you guys. I'm so far, yeah, that's just it. I don't know what else more to say. Thank you all for watching. Peace out.